Do you bill Medicare Part B? If the answer is yes, please give us 3 minutes of your day and maybe we can save you a lot of time and money. If you've turned on a television or radio or have even read a newspaper or internet news site, you know that reducing costs is essential for the U.S. healthcare system. While there are many governmental and private initiatives in the works to lower costs, there's one that will almost certainly affect you if it hasn't already, and that's Medicare audits. For years, CMS has been aware that DME overpayments and outright fraud was a major drain on resources. Actually, CMS believes that in 2010 and 2011 alone, they paid a staggering $5.9 to $7.3 billion in overpayments for DME. They want that money back. And they're going to get it back in the form of documentation request forms, audits. CMS and its contractors aim to audit thousands of Medicare Part B claims every year, so chances are good that you will be audited. There's a virtual alphabet soup of auditing contractors out there. DME MAC audits, Iraq audit, ZPIC audits, CERT audits. Whichever auditing contractor contacts you, they will essentially want the same information: accurate and complete patient file documentation. Documentation's crucial. Learn the rules of the game, and you can keep your Medicare payments in your pocket. If you're not one of the bad guys, don't let them take your money. CMS has always required substantial documentation on all DME POS transactions, even for diabetic test strips. But because CMS hadn't made enforcement of those requirements a priority, many DME providers developed bad habits and they cut corners. Unfortunately, what you may consider just an oversight, CMS views as fraud and as a valid reason to claw back payments. Okay, so now you know the audits are coming. What can you do to protect yourself? Well, you need to make sure that you have adequate policies and procedures for supplying DME to Medicare patients, that your staff is well trained in following those procedures, and that you keep your records complete and easily accessible. Does that sound so difficult? It doesn't have to be, and PRS can help. The Medicare Audit Survival Guide from PRS has everything you need to prepare your pharmacy for pre- and post-payment audits. Policies and procedures, printable forms, and instructions help you stay compliant with CMS supplier standards. And most importantly, it gives you the invaluable confidence that your pharmacy will survive any audit without having to give back your hard-earned money.
To learn more about the Medicare Audit Survival Guide and how it can help protect you, call PRS at 1-800-338-3688 for a free consultation.